We here at Rise Automotive plan to continue doing business with Lombard equipment far into the future for their superior service and attention to detail and staying on top of the latest technologies for the ever-changing world of the body shop industry.
Brian and I feel like here at Nashville Collision, we will continue to use Lombard equipment and Allen to supply us with whatever we need when it comes to equipment.
So here at Collision Specialists, we definitely look forward to doing future business with Lombard equipment.
Coming from a technician standpoint, I hope that Advocate Auto Body continues to do business with Lombard equipment due to their service and support.
We're going to continue to do business with Lombard equipment, and I'm going to let one of my technicians tell you why.
So since the purchase of the equipment and everything, the service, I think as far as our future with Lombard, we look forward to it with White's Body Shop, continuing purchases, and excited about the future of what they're going to offer to us.